In a quiet village, a farmer tends to his crops, but mischievous birds threaten to ruin his hard work.
Farmer uncle, what is that thing you put in the field?
Ah, this is a scarecrow. It helps scare away birds that try to eat my crops.
Why do you need to scare the birds away?
Well, farming is hard work, and we need to protect our crops. Let me tell you all about it. A scarecrow looks like a person to the birds, and it tricks them into thinking someone is watching over the field.
That's clever, but farming must be really hard.
It is, but it's also very rewarding. Let me take you through the steps of farming. First, we prepare the soil. We till the land to make it ready for planting. We also add natural manure like cow dung to enrich the soil with nutrients.
Why do you need to do that?
Tilling or plowing helps mix the nutrients in the soil and makes it easier for seeds to grow. Next, we sow the seeds. This is where the plants start their journey.
How do you know where to plant the seeds?
We plant them in rows to give each plant enough space to grow. With modern technology, we have machines to do this sowing of seeds in rows. After planting, we water the crops regularly. Water is essential for the plants to grow. Natural irrigation method is obviously, as you all know, rain. We use irrigation systems to ensure the crops get enough water. We have sprinkler and drip irrigation systems, which is chosen based on the type of plantation. Weeding ensures that our crops have the best chance to grow strong and healthy by reducing competition for resources. We also have to protect the crops from pests and diseases. We use natural methods like neem oil, garlic spray, and chili pepper spray, and sometimes other treatments to keep them healthy. When the crops are ready, we harvest them. We will do the harvest with help of a tool called sickle. We can also use machinery to do the same. This is the most rewarding part of farming. Once we harvest, we store and transport the yield to different retail shops and markets. From there, people buy the food.
Oh, that looks like a lot of work.
It is, but seeing the fruits of our labor makes it all worth it. Farming is tough, but it feeds us and keeps us healthy. It's a way of life.
Thank you, farmer uncles. We learned a lot today.
You're welcome, kids. Remember, every bite you take comes from someone's hard work in the fields.
And so the kids learned the value of farming and the dedication of those who work the land to feed us all.
Through hard times and losses, when floods and storms arise, despite the dust and debts, you hold your hope so high. Though the crops may struggle and expenses grow wide, you lean on nature's promise with faith deep inside. Even when prices fall or yields don't meet your dream, your spirit never falters in the fields you redeem. To you, the farmer, with gratitude and cheer, for your tireless labor